What's up, guys? DT Starter's back at it again with an unboxing. And my name is Lord Briars.
I'm the King Booker.
Let's go ahead and get this going here. I've actually already opened this because I want to look at it. And
Hey, man.
yeah, this actually is a gun you've probably seen before.
It's a little familiar. So just kind of pull that.
Oh, the G&G Combat Machine SRXL.
Sound familiar?
Ring the Nurse's gun
Sound familiar?
as well. The last gun I bought,
Poop that on us.
pooped itself. And in this package you get a couple booklets.
Oh, this is actually a catalog. Like your, you got that other one?
Alright, go over all this at the very end.
I think it sounds kind of familiar that this is a nice, crisp texturized grip.
With your chamber rod.
Just pull it. Do it yourself. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it.
It's beautiful gun. It's been a while since I've had a nice gun. Shut up. It's nice key mod rails, full metal. You already know this by now, but yeah. And I have a suppressor for it. I'm gonna get rid of this ugly thing. We're gonna shoot this outside in a little bit. Make sure to stay tuned. Now we're outside with the test fire shooting. We're actually gonna be shooting this way, so you can.
Don't shoot me, my friend.
Yeah, I might want to.
Don't
so we can see the BBs, but we're shooting with 0.2 gram BBs from Walmart because I'm broke. But, first test is semi-automatic.
Hold on. Oh yeah.
I don't have anything to say about it.
So now,
Fully automatic. Just kidding, it's drivers. Oh, that's beautiful.
good God.
You just can't get any better than that.
Hey guys, DT Stunners here. It's me, Sam, here to do the review segment of this airsoft gun. Now this airsoft gun is unique and a little bit different from the other airsoft guns because it has a key mod rail instead of a regular Picatinny rail. And the rail system is 12 inches and it comes with a 6-position retractable stock. This gun also has front and rear flip-up iron sights. They're full metal, they're very high quality, and they're a good starting sight for the beginning airsofter. This gun comes with 4 firing modes: safety, semi, fully auto, and 3-round burst. The only reason this gun can have 3-round burst as a firing mode is because of this thing right here. It's called a MOSFET, and if you hold this trigger down on semi-automatic for 10 seconds, you'll be able to switch your full auto to 3-round burst. Now the reason we like this gun so much is because it has ambidextrous mag releases. That means for you lefties, you can now release your mag with your left finger. This gun also has a sling point on the left side of the gun and a molded hand grip. This gun also includes a 350 round high cap magazine with a different texturized magazine grip type thing, but it's still cool nonetheless.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe for more, and check out our other videos as well. And this is our airsoft unboxing / review and shooting test. Peace out.
Look out, boy.